Hey there, it's Bruce Carson with the Keenan Group with Keller Williams Realty on the Central Coast in Pismo Beach. I'm coming to you today because the Keenan Group currently has a home seller's guide available for free. Something that you just send me a text message and I can shoot it over to you. A couple things that it touches bases on are why you should sell now instead of waiting until spring. Uh, why this low inventory is driving prices up. And we have so many qualified buyers with historically low interest rates that are qualified, they're ready to buy, but they don't have anything to buy. This guide talks about the difference between selling your home yourself and hiring a real estate professional. It's a very, very big difference, and realtors will do a great job protecting your assets and making sure that the whole process goes very smoothly, legally, and everyone's happy at the end of the day. So reach out to me. It's Bruce Carson, 805-458-4144. Send me a text message or call, and then I'll send you this guide.